Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane for CraftStash, and today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of this Big Shot kit. So this is really exciting because this has the tool caddy and also the precision base plate included. Now, if you're already thinking about investing in a die cutting machine, then we absolutely recommend Sizzix machines. They're great. And the Big Shot, when you get it, it just comes with the cutting pads that you need to get started. But this one is cool because it comes with the tool caddy and also the precision base plate, which is perfect for helping you die cut intricate wafer thin dies. So I wanted to show you everything that's included because I think this is a great deal. So if you've been thinking about getting a Big Shot, then I think it would be a better investment to get one that includes the tool caddy and the precision base plate because these are essentials. You can buy these separately, but it already comes with the Big Shot and it's at a great price, so I just highly recommend it. Okay, so I'm very careful with the styrofoam because it hurts. It hurts my ears. I don't know if you do. I don't know if it hurts your ears as well. So this is the Big Shot machine, and this is a 6-inch wide platform. If you are thinking maybe, oh, is that a Big Shot Plus? The Big Shot Plus is a little bit bigger. It has a 9-inch wide platform. But this is a great machine, especially if you are a newbie crafter. So here's everything included with your machine. So here it is missing a handle because you need to attach it. So the handle is here with the little screw and the little Allen wrench to attach it to your machine and get started. But like I mentioned, it comes with the plates with the thin die adapter and your cutting pads that you need to get started. And generally when you buy a Big Shot, this is all that comes with it, right? But then this particular kit comes with a tool caddy, which is absolute, I think, I don't know, I have one in my craft room, and I love it because it just attaches to the side, and it comes with a built-in tape dispenser, a little washi dispenser, and also a bunch of little compartments for you to put your die picks and all sorts. But what's great is that it has this extender, so you can add, like you can extend this part out and you can put your precision base plates and your cutting pads on the side. So here's a look at the precision base plate for intricate thinlits or intricate wafer thin dies. And this is just really helpful, something to have in your stash for those intricate dies, which sometimes are a little bit more finicky, a little bit more difficult to die cut. So this is not a cutting pad. You just add this to your, look at this little picture here. So it's going to be your base platform, and then the precision base plate, and then your paper and your intricate die, and then your cutting pad on top. So it has, I love how Sizzix prints their sandwiches directly onto their different platforms. It's really helpful. So that's the precision base plate. There's the other side of it. But it goes perfectly with your tool caddy because your caddy will go here, and then you can add your precision base plate and all your cutting pads here, and you will have them easily accessible. So here is everything included in the kit. And like I mentioned, if you were already thinking about getting a Big Shot, then why not get this kit, which includes the caddy and also the precision base plate, which once you've used it, you're gonna think, where has this been my whole life? So highly recommend this kit, and you can head to CraftStash for all the details. I will include a link in the video description for you to find that easily. I'm Jeanette Lane for CraftStash. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video real soon.